I'm Jonathan Pickup. I've been teaching Vectorworks for a long time. I've taught over 1,000 people to use Vectorworks through my movies and my manuals. And I had a question about this movie that's on the screen at the moment. This is one of my YouTube movies. It's my quick start to Vectorworks, and they were having trouble with this part of the roof. So I thought I'd go through it and show you how to solve the problem and how the problem was created. So I've remade that little model. We've got this part here, and the trick that I used was to use the extract tool. That's just the extract tool here, and to extract these faces of the model. Do that, we've got a group. If I then enter the group, so modify, group, edit group, here it is here, these are the 4 parts. Now it's created 4 NURB surfaces. So I want to do this in 2 chunks. I want to add that face and that face together. You can see I've got 2 NURB surfaces. So right click, add solids. That's cool. Now I'm going to use my Shell Solid tool. Shell Solid, around about 10 inches, 250 mils. So I select that face and that face together, hold the Shift key down to select multiple faces, hit the Enter key, and I've now got my face. Now it's gone down, I wanted it to come up. Let's turn off the inside and it comes out. Now I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to use my Shell Solid. This time, I'm not going to add those 2 together. I'm going to leave them as 2 separate objects. Enter key. Now it looks fine at the moment, but as soon as I go not inside but outside, I've now got this hole in between the 2 of them. You can see it here. These 2 are now 2 separate. It's like they've become 2 separate objects. So the solution is that we should have added those together, then use the Shell Solid, select both faces, enter, then go inside, and you can see now I don't have that gap between them. They're joined together, and my roof joins this other one quite well. So that's my solution. Hope you enjoyed that. If you like these movies, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps me, and it helps other people to find my movies. If you want to get extended movies, or if you want to get access to my online courses, become a member of my YouTube channel. You'll get access to my movies that I post each month, and you'll get access to the courses as I upload them. Thanks for watching.